Hi, my name is Matt Fradd, and I am an author and a speaker and a podcaster. Originally from Australia, I now live in Georgia in the United States, and I'm really excited to be speaking to youth in Montreal, in Quebec, at the 7th annual gathering of Croatian Catholic Youth of North America, Mladi Fest, taking place on the weekend of September 27th to 29th at St. Nicholas Tavalic Church. And the general public is also invited to hear my talks, Parenting the Internet Generation and Porn 7 Myths Exposed talk, which will be on Thursday, September 26th at 7:30 p.m, also at St. Nicholas Church. These talks will be simultaneously translated in French, though not by me, because being Australian, I can barely speak English, let's be honest. Anyway, can't wait to see you there, so please register today. You can click the link below to do that. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.